Good morning from Palopo. I've been staying here for about 3 days, mostly just working inside the room, but today I was about to head out, but I noticed one of the tires was very low. So I checked and there is a bolt inside the tire, so found a little shop here. They are trying to repair my tires straight away, so that's pretty good. It shouldn't take long and I should be back on the road. Just like this. Okay? Hey. So I've been driving about 2 hours, but I didn't like it much. The traffic is quite crazy. There are some cars that go super fast, but there are some motorbikes and trucks that go super slow, so it's always throttle brake, and yeah, I don't like it so much, so I made a little stop on the beach. Friendly locals offered me coffee and yeah, just chill for a little bit and then I will continue. I don't think I will record much of the road because it's kind of the same. There is also not very nice sceneries here, but later we should be passing through one more mountain before reaching Makassar, so okay, I have encountered a small problem. There is no bridge. Heading into the jungle. I went to scout ahead on foot, so I know the place there is very nice. Just the road is a little rough, but it's only like 50 meters, so I think I should be able to do it. Yeah, so I think this will do. This will do nicely. It's nice by the river, only I'm really worried there will be a lot of mosquitoes. And yeah, there's also a pile of trash back there, but yeah, just everywhere. And there is an eagle. Look. Wow, that's quite cool. Just an eagle flying over. And I think I'm gonna build my tent in this little kind of shed or whatever, because here it's only rocks. And probably I can even take a bath in this river. Good morning. It was actually a pretty good night, and yeah, it's a little bit cloudy, rained a little bit, but not too much. Now I'm having salak, the snake fruit, for breakfast, and I'm gonna take a bath in the river. There is quite a few flies, and they are inside the car. I don't know how I'm gonna get them out. Hey, welcome to Watansopeng, the Batman city. This is crazy. This is like the main square, and the trees are full of bats everywhere. It's not just like a few, it's packed, totally full with bats. Crazy. I didn't expect there would be so many. Look at that.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down.
We're dealing with the same problem again. The road is just crazy steep. Just look at this. That's luckily downhill, but before I came through up, so I just stopped to give the car a little break because yeah, this is very steep. The road turned bagus, great, but still it's super steep. Just look in the distance. I need to cross that mountains. Come on, car, come on, come on. You can make it. I know it's steep, but it's not far. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I think this is it. We are stuck. I don't want to be defeated right before the top, but yeah, it might be just too much. Let's give it one more try, but the best straight runoff I can get is this. Yeah, it's still quite steep, and then it's even more steep. Made it a little bit farther, just a few, like 100 meters to climb, and I figured one tip, one cheat code how to climb the hill that's too steep for this car. Because the road is quite wide and it is also the runoff areas, I can just zigzag on the road, which makes it a little bit less steep, and it made me get up on this hill. So yeah, I'm just stopping again for the car to have a break, because I think this is pushing it too much, but it's just like last 50 meters or something. So come on, car, you can do it. This should be the highest point. I think it made it. Oh my god, that was pushing too much, definitely.
Dorazili jste do cíle.
Wow. There is no way I could go back up this way, so lucky I choose the other way, but wow, this is crazy steep, crazy steep.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Hi, so I found a pretty cool waterfall. Yeah, it's pretty big also, and I definitely need to take a swim. Yeah, it's looking nice. The road has been rough, the sun is harsh, but yeah, this place feels really nice. I was trying to find some place to camp on the beach, but the first one that looked super amazing was not allowed because of land dispute, and they just closed the road getting there, so I wouldn't even be able to get there. And this place, it's quite nice, but there is so much people, so for sleeping this is not really a good option. First, let's just enjoy the sunset. Maybe I will cook myself a dinner, and then I don't know. Good morning from the Sulawesi mountains. It's super beautiful. I park in here, I slept right here, and just a little farther down this road there is a beautiful waterfall. So I had a pineapple for breakfast, and then I went for a swim in the waterfalls, and I saw the monkeys on the way, and in the night I drove up here, and yeah, I didn't make a mistake. It's really nice, and today I'm gonna drive to Makassar. It shouldn't be very far, and I'm probably gonna stay there for a few days, do some work, do some repairs on the car, and then continue south, and then finally a new island. So that's gonna be in the next video, and yeah, see you on the road.